Our verse for today is found in John 4:24. Naalala niyo ba yung sign ng Spirit? Yung God, alam natin, ano? God, yung ganon. And then yung Spirit, can you remember it? Naturo na natin ito before.
Parang spaghetti siya,
Anyone?
teacher.
Yeah, ganon.
Alam ko
Yes.
spaghetti.
Okay. So God is Spirit, and those who worship, so ganito, yung worship Him, yung Him si Jesus kasi yun eh, no? So ganyan din natin. Him must worship in spirit and in truth. Okay, nasa parang number 1 sa mouth and then ganyan.
Chin.
Okay, let's do it all together. Come on, let's try. John 4:24. God is spirit, and those who worship Him must worship in spirit and in truth.
truth.
Okay,
Wow.
John 4:24. Thank you.